Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. 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 ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्ताम् सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Gita session. It's been ages since we have had our last class. May this 2025 give us a Khandita class so that we can complete our Sankalpa. And not only complete the Sankalpa, we can imbibe the teachings of Gita in whatever small possible way as possible. And let us just seek for his devotion, Nirantar devotion, so that 2025 fills us with only his name, his thought, actions for him, speech for him, and only he in the forefront for us. With this, so I was thinking what I'm going to take today. So when I was flipping, then I saw 14th August. We have started with the 4th chapter and we have done first 6 shlokas of it. Okay. And then I saw that there are so much of homeworks, Bhagavad Shabda, this, that, because Vivasvan, how Vivasvate has come and all. We were seeing the Takaranta and all. I don't know whether you all still remember the Shabdas or not, whether it is forgotten. Anybody has memorized anything or had memorized, but it is forgotten now. All kinds of possibilities are there. So just a random question. Anybody knows Deva Shabda by heart? Akaranta Pillinga Deva Shabda. See?
Yeah, we
Okay.
do.
So let us then do few Shabdas first, few verbs first, so that we get into the groove. Quickly chant the first 6 mantras and just have one line translation for it, and then we go ahead. Okay. So, if you have your Dhaturu and Sabdarupavali booklet, take it in front. Okay. So, Radha Krishnanji, you can do the Deva Shabda.
Devah devau devaha prathama devam devau devan ditiya devaya devabhyam devaihi tritiya.
No, Devaya, no, Devena.
Devena devabhyam devaihi tritiya. Devaya devabhyam devebhya chaturthi. Devat devabhyam devebhya panchami. Devapyam Devebhya Devaha Devayo
Devasya. No, no,
Devasya Devayoho Devan Devan
Devanam.
Devanam that is Shashti.
Hmm.
Then Devasya Devayoho Devanam Deve Devayoho Deveshu that is Saptami E
Hmm.
Deva E Devo E Devaha Devaha. Yeah,
Sambodha. Good,
Sambodhana.
good. It's not completely done. Okay. Anybody can do Vanam Shabda, Napunsaka Linga, or Phalam. Who would like to do?
May I do it, Maharshi?
Yes, Ji Shobhaji.
Vanam vane vanani prathama, vanam vane vanani dvitiya, vanena vanabhyam vanaihi, तृतीया वनाय वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः चतुर्थी वनात् वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः पंचमी वनस्य वनयोः वनानां वनस्य वनयोः वनानां षष्ठी वने वनयोः वनेषु सप्तमी हे वने हे वने
हे वन हे वने
हे वन हे वने हे वनानि संबोधन.
Very good. So it is only vanam vane vanani prathama, vanam vane vanani dvitiya. Then everything is like devena devabhyam. So vanena vanabhyam. It will go. Okay. Let's do mala shabda. Akaranta. Who is going to do it? Sumita ji, you have it in front of you. Mala shabda. Who else can do?
Mala is like Ram only, no?
No. Ram is Pullinga. Mala is Strilinga. Ram is Akaranta. Mala is Akaranta. Who can do?
What
Sridevi?
actually?
Guruji, I can try.
Ji, Sridevi ji.
Lata, late, lataah,
Prathama.
latam, late, lataah,
Dvitiya. Say it.
dvitiya, yeah, dvitiya, lataya, lataya,
Latabhyam.
latabhyam, latabhihi,
Tritiya. Say that.
tritiya, yeah, because in the childhood I have that, so that only it comes. Latayai, latanam,
Latabhyam.
latabhyam, latabhyah,
Chaturthi.
chaturthi, think I'm missing.
Latayaha.
Latayah, latabhyam, latabhyah,
Panchami.
lat-
Same. Latayaha.
latayah,
Latayoho.
latayoh, latanam,
Shashti.
latayah,
Latayam.
latayam, latayo,
Latayoho. Visarga.
latayoh,
Latasu.
latasu, shashti,
Saptami.
saptami, he lata, he late,
Helate. Helate.
he late, he lata, he lata,
Helate.
he late, he late, he lata,
Helataha. Sambodhan.
lata, sambodhan.
Okay.
Sorry,
Not
it is not.
Doesn't matter. That's what, no, it's after. So once we are back into our track, we will get it. Don't worry. Okay. Sumita ji, which shabda you are ready with? What you have in front of you?
I'm having Ramam, Phalam,
After that?
and Nadi.
Okay.
Nadi.
Go ahead. Okay. So, Dirgha. Nadi Ikaranta. Strilinga shabda. Nadi.
Prathama.
Not Prathama first. First say that and then say Prathama.
Okay.
Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha.
Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyah, Prathama. Nadim, Nadyo, Nadihi, Dvitiya, Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibhi, Tritiyam, Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyah, Chaturtham, Nadyah,
Chaturthi only. Hey, 1 minute. We don't add any ammam. Tritiya, Chaturthi, like that only. Don't put any anuswara. Say the Chaturthi again.
Nadya,
Nadyai.
नदीभ्यां
Nadyai.
नद्यैः नहीं सॉरी
Nadyai,
नद्यै
no. Nadyai.
नद
Not to add any extra anuswara, any extra visarga. The word as it is should come. Nadyai. Huh?
नद्यै नदीभ्यां
Hmm.
नदीभ्यः
Bhyayah, no. Nadibhyah.
भ्यः
Hmm.
नदीभ्यः
Hmm.
चतुर्थी
Hmm.
नद्याः
Hmm.
नदीभ्यां
Hmm.
नदीभ्यः भ्य
Hmm.
पंचमी
Hmm.
नद्याः नद्योः
Hmm.
नदीनां षष्ठी
Hmm.
नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु सप्तमी
Hmm.
हे नदी हे नद्यौ हे नद्यः संबोधन
Very good. Good. Leelama, which word you have in front of you?
Can I say Sita? I have
No.
Sita also, Gauri
No,
also.
no, no. Akaranta Pullinga is over. Akaranta Strilinga is over. Akaranta Napunsakalinga is over. Ikaranta Strilinga is over. Now Rasva Ikaranta Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napunsakalinga. Rasva Ikaranta. What you have in Rasva Ikara? Hari you have.
Gauri will not do, na?
That is like Nadi. It is over. Ikaranta. Dirgha Ikaranta is over.
Hari, I don't know.
Okay.
I have Hari with me. I have Hari.
Okay, Gayatri ma. Okay, Hari. Ikaranta Pullinga.
ईकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः
Hari,
हरि शब्दः प्रथम हरिः
No, 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 no.
हरि
No, no,
हरेः
no. What is the pattern? Do we say Prathama first? No. Harihi Hari Harayah Prathama.
हरिः हरि हरयः प्रथमा हरिं हरि हरीन् द्वितीया हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः तृतीया हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः चतुर्थी हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः पञ्चमी हरेः हरयोः हरिणा
Harayoho no. Hatyoho. It is the repha going on. Hariyoho.
हर्योः हर्योः हरिणा षष्ठी
Shashti. Hmm.
हरौ हर्योः हरीषु सप्तमी
Hmm.
हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः संबोधना
Okay. Sambodhana no.
I have
Okay.
Kavi.
So Kavi would be like Hari. So do you have a Strilinga? Mati you have? Or Dadhi you have?
Gauri, that will go E.
It will be in Stri. Now we need Strilinga and Napunsaka of Ikaranta. Anybody has Mati Strilinga or Dadhi Napunsaka?
Mati I have.
Okay, go ahead.
ईकारान्तः श्रीलिङ्गः मति शब्दः मतिः मति मध्यः प्रथमा
Matayah.
मतयः प्रथमा मति मति मतिः द्वितीया मध्या मदिभ्यां मदिभिः तृतीया मध्यै मध्ये दोनों
Mataye.
मदये मदिभ्यां मदिभ्यः चतुर्थी मध्याः मतेः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः पञ्चमी मध्याः मतेः
No, don't say Madhyaha, say correct Matya. The sound should come, huh? Matyaha Matehe. Huh.
मत्याः मतेः मत्योः मतीनां षष्टि मत्यां मत्यौ मत्योः
Matyau no. Matau. Matau.
ओके मतौ मत्योः मतीषु सप्तमी मते मति मध्यः
Mate.
हे मते हे मति हे मध्यः संबोधना sorry
Very good. Very good. Dadhi who have? इकारान्त नपुंसक दधि शब्दः.
I have Varshaji.
Okay, go ahead.
इकारान्तः
Rishi, I have it.
इकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्ग दधि शब्दः.
Hmm.
दधि दधिनी दधीनि प्रथमा.
Very good.
दधि दधिनी दधीनि द्वितीया. दध्ना दधिभ्यां दधिभिः तृतीया. दध्ने दधिभ्यां दधिभ्यः चतुर्थी. दध्नः दधिभ्यां दधिभ्यः पंचमी. दध्नः दध्नोः दधीनां षष्ठी.
Dadhinam, no, dadhnam.
दध्नां sorry षष्ठी. So दध्नः दध्नोः दध्नां षष्ठी. दध्नि दध्नोः दधिषु सप्तमी.
Dadni, dadni, dadni. There is no visarga in ekvachan.
दध्नि
Hmm.
दध्नोः
Correct.
दधिषु
Hmm.
सप्तमी.
Hmm.
And हे दधे हे दध्नी हे दधीनि संबोधन.
Very good.
I don't know this by heart, Varshaji. I just read
Doesn't
it out.
matter. Doesn't matter. Let it be there. When we will see through it few times, it will come to us because Gita will have those words. So we'll have to maybe not as Dadhi, but Napunsaka Linga will come. So if we are familiar with the formations, we'll be able to cut the pada at the appropriate place. Without this knowledge, we will not know where to cut the pada. So all Napunsaka Ikaranta will go like that, like Dadhi. All Pullinga will go, Ikaranta will go like Kavi or this Hari. And Mati we did Strilinga. Like now Leelama said she has Gauri. So all Ikaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta will go like Strilinga will go like Nadi Shabda. So we are trying to get all like Krishna, Vasudev, whoever are the Pullingas, Karanta will go like Deva Shabda. So Kunti and all will go like Nadi Shabda. Draupadi, Kunti, they will all go like Nadi Shabda. So that's why we need to be familiar with it. Okay, let's go to the Ukaranta. Na? Ukaranta Pullinga, Ukaranta Strilinga, Ukaranta Napunsakalinga. What you have? Lilama, what
I
you
have
have?
Guru.
Go ahead. Go ahead and do Pullinga. Ukaranta Pullinga Guru Shabdaha.
Guruhu, Guravaha. Prathama. Gurun. Dvitiya. Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi. Tritiya. Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha. Chadurtha. Guroho, Chadurthi. Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha. Panchami. Guroho, Guro,
Gurvoho. Gurvoho.
Guroho,
Gurvoho.
Guroho, Guroho, Guruna, Shashti.
Guroho ekavachan. Gurvoho dvivachan.
Guroho, Guruna, Shashti. Gurau, Guroho, Gurushu, Saptami.
Again. Saptami dvivachan.
Guroho.
Gurvoho. Gurau is ekvachan. Gurvoho is dvivachan. Gurau, Gurvoho, Gurushu. Like how Shashti dvivachan, Saptami dvivachan is also same. Gurvoho. Gu, then Repha is on Vo. Gurvoho. Sambodhan is what?
Hey Guru, Hey Guru, Hey Guravaha.
Hey Guru, ekvachan.
Hey Guru,
Hey
Hey
Guru.
Guru, Hey Guru, Hey Guravaha.
Sambodhan. Okay. Ukaranta Strilinga Dhenu Shabdaha. Who's having it?
Shall I say?
Yes, Ji.
Ukarant Strilinga Denu Shabdaha. Denuhu, Denu, Denavaha. It's Prathama. Denum, Denu, Denuhu. Dvitiya. Denva, Denubhyam, Denubhi. Tritiya. Denvai, Denave, Denubhyam, Denubhya. Chaturthi. Denvaha, Denoho, Denubhyam, Denubhya. Panchami. Denoho, Denvaha, Denvoho, Denunam. Shashti. Denvam, Denav, Denvoho, Denushu. Saptami. He Deno, He Denu, He Denavaha. Sambodhana.
Very good. Ukaranta Napunsakalinga, Madhu Shabda.
I can do, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. Prathama. Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. Dvitiya. Madhuna, Madhuna, Madhubhihi. Tritiya. Madhune, Madhubhyam. Madhumay.
Madhubhyah.
Okay. Madhubhyah. Chaturthi. Madhunah. Madhubhyam. Madhubhyah. Panchami. Madhunah. Madhunoh. Madhuna. Shashti. Madhuni. Madhunoh. Madhushu. Madhushu. Saptami. And he Madhu, he Madhuni, he Madhuni. Sambodhana.
Very good, very good. I think this much of the usual shabdas are okay. Let's go for the Sarvanam now. Sarvanam, we have this tad in 3 lingas, etad we have in 3 lingas, asmad, yushmad we have. So we will do that. Kim we have. So let's start with tad shabda, pullinga tad shabda. Sahatau te prathama, tam tau tan dvitiya, tena tabhyam taihi tritiya, tasmai tabhyam tebhyah chaturthi, tasmat tabhyam tebhyah panchami, tasya tayoho tesham shashti, tasmin tayoho teshu saptami. Let it come like this, sahaj. Okay? Now let's do. Tat shabda napunsakalinga. Who's doing?
I'll
Ji, Gayatri ma.
तत् शब्दः तकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः तत् ते तानि
Takaranta, not takaranta, it is dakaranta.
दकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः तत् ते तानि प्रथमा तत् ते तानि द्वितीया तेन ताभ्यां तैः तृतीया तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पञ्चमी तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी.
Very good. Very good. Nicely done. Strilinga, dakaranta strilinga tat shabda. Sahataute, who is doing it?
May I do it?
Sate taha, not sahataute. Sate taha.
May I do it, Varsha?
Yes, yes, Shobhaji, yes.
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्ग तत् शब्दः सा ते ताः प्रथमा तां ते ताः द्वितीया तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तृतीया तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः पञ्चमी तस्याः तयोः तासां षष्ठी तस्यां तयोः तासु सप्तमी.
Yes. Now we'll do like this for etat shabda. Pullinga, napunsakalinga, strilinga.
Can I do it?
जी जी
एतत् शब्दं दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः एषः एतौ एते प्रथमा एतम् एनम् एतौ एनौ एतान् और एनान् द्वितीया एतेन और एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्य एतयोः एतानाम् और एतेषाम् षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः और एनयोः एतेषु सप्तमी
वेरी गुड दकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग एतत् शब्दः एतत् एते एतानि प्रथमा एतत् एन एते एने एतानि एनानि द्वितीया एतेन एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्य एतयोः एनयोः एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः एनयोः एतेषु सप्तमी. Do somebody does Strilinga? Let it go a little faster, smoother, non-stop. Sridevi ji, you are ready? I saw you unmuted.
I will do the Strilinga. Yeah.
Okay.
एषा एते एताः प्रथमा एताम् एते एताः द्वितीया एतया एताभ्याम् एताभिः तृतीया एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्याः एतयोः एतासां षष्ठी एतस्याम् एतयोः एतासु सप्तमी.
Very good. Good. Now let us go for the Makaranta. Makaranta is Kim Shabda, Pullinga, Napunsaka, Strilinga. Kim Shabda? Okay. You all search Napunsaka and Strilinga and keep. I'll start with Pullinga. Kaha kau ke prathama, kam kau kan dvitiya, kena kabhyam kaihi tritiya, kasmai kabhyam kebhyah chaturthi, kasmat kabhyam kebhyah पंचमी कस्य कयोः केषां षष्ठी कस्मिन् कयोः केषु सप्तमी. नपुंसकलिङ्ग किं मकारान्त?
Shall I do it, Vashti?
Yes.
Makaranta Napumsakalinga Kim Shabdaha. Kim ke kani prathama, kim ke kani dvitiya, kena kabhyam kaihi tritiya, kasmai kabhyam kebhyah chaturthi, kasmat kabhyam kebhyah panchami, kasya kayoho kesham shashthi, kasmin kayoho keshu saptami.
Very good. Strilinga Kim Shabda.
Guruji.
How is it?
का के काः प्रथमा काम के काः द्वितीया कया काभ्यां काभिः तृतीया कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्याः काभ्यां काभ्यः पञ्चमी कस्याः कयोः कासां षष्ठी कस्यां कयोः कासु सप्तमी.
Very good. Now let's do this Dakaranta, Asmat Shabda and Yushmat Shabda. Aham Yushmat somebody search and keep. I'll do the Aham. Aham avam vayam prathama mam ma avam no asman naha dvitiya maya avabhyam asmabhihi tritiya mahyam ne avabhyam no asmabhyam naha chaturthi mat avabhyam asmat panchami mama me avayoho no asmakam naha षष्ठी मयि आवयोः अस्मासु सप्तमी. युष्मत् शब्द दकारान्त.
May I do it?
Yes.
Tvam yuvam yuyam, that's prathama. Tvam tva yuvam vam yushman naha. sorry, Yushman Vaha, that is Dvidiya. Tvaya Yuvabhyam Yushmabihi, Tritiya. Tubhyam Te Yuvabhyam Vam Yushmabhyam Vaha, Chaturthi. Tvat Yuvabhyam Yushmat Panchami. Tava Te Yuvayoho Vam Yushmagam Vaha, Shashti. Tvai Yuvayoho Yushmasu, Saptami.
Good. We have Yat Shabda also, but it is like that Kim Shabda, so we'll stop over there. Otherwise, our half of the class is gone today. But we'll go quickly for the Dhatu root. Somebody prepare Atmani Padi. I'll just do the Parasmay Padi, all the 4 types, okay? Parasmay Padi, Patha Dhatu, Vartaman Kal, Pathati, Pathataha, Pathanti, Pathasi, Pathatha, Pathatha, Pathani, Pathavaha, Pathamiha. Bhutkal, Apathat, Apathatam, Apathan, Apathaha, Apathatam, Apathatha, Apatham, Apathava, Apathama. Prerana, Lotlaka, Pathatu, Pathatam, Pathantu. Pathatu, Pathatam, Pathantu. Patha, Pathatam, Pathatha. Pathani, Pathava, Pathama. Bhavishyatha, Padhishyati, Padhishyataha, Padhishyanti. Padhishyasi, Padhishyatha, Padhishyatha, Padhishyami, Padhishyavaha, Padhishyamaha. Okay. Atmanepadi, who is doing? Vanda Dhatu.
I will do.
हाँ.
वर्तमान काल वंदते वंदेते वंदन्ते वंदसे वंदेते वंधवे वंदे वंदावहे वंदामहे
Vandadve, you said, right? Okay. Say the Madhyam Purush again. Madhyam Purush. Vandase.
वंदते वंदेथे वंधवे.
Vandadve.
Okay, please
Vanda.
repeat.
Vandadve.
वंदध्वे.
Okay.
भूतकाल अवंदत अवंदेता
Avandat.
अवंदंत.
No. You have to be specific. We can't read Avandat. It's not Halanta. It's full. Avandata.
Okay. अवंदत अवंदेता अवंदंत अवंदथाः अवंदेथाम् अवंदध्वम् अवंदे अवंदावहि अवंदामहि. वंदता वंदेता.
Prerana. Say Prerana.
प्रेरणा. वंदता वंदेता वंदनता वंदनता वंदस्व वंदस्व वंदेधा वंदध्व वंदध् वंदई वंदावई वंदावही वंदामहि. भूत वंदिष्येते.
Bhavishyat. Bhut no. Bhavishyat kal it is.
हाँ, सॉरी. वंदिष्येते वंदिष्येते वंदिष्यन्ते वंदिष्येते
Vandishyase. Vandishyase.
वंदिष्येते
Vandishyase.
वंदिष्यसे वंदिष्येते वंदिष्यध्वे. वंदिष्ये वंदिष्ये वंदिष्यावहे वंदिष्यामहे.
Good. So it's after a long break we are doing. So there is a little struggle. Next week we will be little smoother. Following week will be smoother. Whatever we have chanted, we will keep, but we will add that Bhagavat Shabda next week. Okay. One word as Takaranta we will add and keep. Why I'm quickly rushing now into, otherwise we won't get time. Half of the time is gone. Doesn't matter. It's been so long now. My screen is seen, right? You had seen otherwise during the Gita Dhyana shlokas also, correct?
Yes.
Now also it's visible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So we'll get into this. So next week, you revise again what we have revised today and come keep everything handy, keep up the speed so that half of this time we need. Within 10-15 minutes, we should finish all this. Okay, we should not drag to half an hour, take half class because it's after a long time and we are brushing our memories. So much dust has collected. Whatever we have done, everything is it's not gone. It's there, only it's a little rusted. So we'll have to put some oil polish, remove first the dust, clean up. It will be fine. In about next 2 sessions, you all will be more comfortable. And then we will just see all the sandhi names. So, write what are all the swara sandhis on one page, right? What are all the vyanjana sandhis we have done on one page, and put one example for that and come. So that we can at least chant it once in front of our eyes and everything is not gone. Then slowly it will come to us. And our main focus will be doing the verses of Gita. Okay. So now we are in this chapter 4. Chapter 4, we saw that it is a karma sannyasa yoga. Bhagwan straight away starts with Imam vivasvate yogam proktavanaham avyayam vivasvan manave praha manurikshvakave braveet. So Bhagwanji is saying that this yoga, I only gave it to Vivasvan. And this Vivasvan has told to Manu. And Manu has told to Ikshvaku. So Lord is saying this. This is what is the parampara of the jnanam. So having got this parampara, evam parampara praptam imau rajarshayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtaf parantapa. I would have actually asked you all to chant, but because some time is there, so next time come prepared with all these verses. So then Bhagwanji says that this knowledge in this style, in this particular way, in this particular parampara, it has been told. But then because kaleneham, so kalena, by the over the course of time, it has been lost. So nashtaha bhavati yogaha. So saevayam maya tedya yogah proktah puratanaha bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam hetaduttamam. So now this which was lost, I am telling you this. So it was told to you by me. Why? Because you are bhaktaha, you are my devotee. Sakha also, you are my friend. So this uttamam rahasyam, this greatest secret, supreme secret, I have told you. Then Arjuna gets a doubt. Aparam bhavato janma, param janma vivasvataha, kathame tadvijaniya, tvam adau proktavani. So you can mute yourself, please. So then Arjuna gets a doubt. He says, but your birth was aparam, aparam bhava. Then param janma vivasvan. Vivasvan was before you. Then how should I understand that you have taught this yoga to him? So how can I understand? Tvam adau proktavan. You have told him first. Katham aham vijaniyam. How do I understand this? He asked. So then Bhagwan says, Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tava charjuna anyaham veda sarvani natvam vetha parantapa. Bahuni me janmani vyatitani. My so many janmas have been passed. Even yours also, Tavacha also, Arjuna, yours also. But the difference is you have forgotten, you don't know all your previous janmas. I am aware of all the janmas that has been passed by. Lord says to Arjuna. Then this was the final verse which we saw last time. Ajo pisannavyayatma bhutanam ishvaro pisan prakritim swamadhisthaya sambhavamyatma mayaya. Ajopi san, ajaha san, though I am not born. Avyayatma, though I am an imperishable nature. Though it is all this, prakritim swamadhisthaya. So, being in my own nature, I take birth. It's not that I'm getting born or I'm dying, but staying in my own prakritistaha atma mayaya. By my own maya, it appears that I am born again. So we were at this verse. Now we will go further. Shobhaji, you can volunteer. Yada yada hi dharmasya
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य
ग्लानिर्भवति भारत
ग्लानिर्भवति भारत
अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य
अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य
तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्
तदात्मानौ सृजाम्यहम् यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानौ सृजाम्यहम्.
So now in this, how we are going to do the Padachedas? Yada, same word, Yada hi dharmasya. Glanir is there, right? So that Repa is going, Visarga is coming. Glanihi bhavati bharata. Then Abhyutthanam adharmasya visar. So it's Abhyutthanam adharmasya tada. So we have got tadatmanam srujamyaham. So tada atmanam srujamyaham srujami aham. So srujamyaham, if we have our sandhi rules written in on one page, I think it was shared one of the card. So that E and A has come, the Y has happened quickly with sandhi, swara sandhi. What name of that swara sandhi?
So Yansandhi.
Yansandhi.
Yanis, correct. Yanisandhi. So Srujamyaham. So now Srujamyaham, that has been broken down. So now we put it. So Bharata is there, na? The Adhyuthanam Yada Yada Dharma Glanir Bhavati Bharata. So when we put the Anvaya, He Bharata, Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Glanihi Adharmasya Abhyuthanam Bhavati Tada Aham Atmanam Srujami. So this would be the Anvaya. That whole poetic line, if we put it in the prose line, it will be sounding in this particular way. So now we will see the meaning of it. So yada yada, whenever. Yada yada he is for the Pada Puranartha. Ashtanushta Chanda should have 8 alphabets. So he is been Purakartha. Dharmasya, righteousness. Glanihi bhavati. If it decays, then O Bharata, Abhyutthanam means the rise, Abhyutthanam of the rise, Adharmasya. Adharma's rise happens. Unrighteousness will increase. Tada, that time, Atmanam, me, I myself, Srujami, manifest, Aham, I. So whenever there is a decay of righteousness, and that time, and there is a rise of unrighteousness, that time I manifest myself, Bhagwanji says. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirbhavati bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujamyaham. Shri Devi ji. Paritrāṇāya sadhūnām
परित्राणाय साधूनां
विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम्
विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
संभवामि युगे युगे
संभवामि युगे युगे परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good. So now there are not much over here. Paritrāṇāya sadhūnām vināṣāya cha dushkrutam, all as it is. Dharma samsthapanartha is also one word. Sambhavami yuge yuge. So there are no sandhis over there. So now if we have to put it in the prose, sadhūnām paritrāṇāya dushkrutam vināṣāya dharma samsthapanarthaya cha Yuge yuge sambhavami or aham sambhavami yuge yuge. So now we got the meaning. So for what all the things are there? Paritranaya. Paritranaya, to protect. For protection of whom? Of sadhuna, of the good. Vinashaya means for the destruction of whom? Dushkritam, those who are doing bad acts, sinful activities. Dharma samsthapanarthaya, to dharma samsthapana, to make the dharma to establish the dharma, to establish the righteous thing. Aham sambhavami yuge yuge. Sambhavami, I am born. Yuge yuge, in every age, in every yuga, I am born. So three things are there for the protection of the sadhus. For the sadhu is not only the saffron clad, all those who are even grastashramis, who are even good. So it's sadhu is those who are following the path of righteousness, to distract those who are really very wicked, and for the establishment of the righteousness. I am born in every age. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. So sambhavami, like what word it sounds? What dhatu? Yes,
Patami.
correct. It sounds like Patami.
Guruji, what about sadhunam? Is it Shashti?
Correct. Yes. So of the sadhus, of the sadhus, and that is other one is Chaturthi, Paritranaya,
Hmm.
Vinashaya, Dharma Samsthapanarthaya. So whenever
Hmm.
it is Haya, Kimartham Karoti, so then that it's not Artha is meaning. So for what purpose it is in that sense. Okay. And yuge, like yugaha, like deve, in every age, Kalika or whatever. So it's in the location. Okay. Sunita Bhattacharya. Janma karma cha me divyam.
जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम्
Evam yo veti tattvataha.
एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः
Yaktva deham punarjanma.
त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म
Naiti mameti sorjuna.
नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन
Read it.
जन्म जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन.
Don't stop after naiti. Naiti mam, then that ti becomes long. Naiti mameti, go quickly after ti because ti is short.
Okay. नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन.
Correct. Yes. So over here also now, see janma, karma, cha, me, divyam, evam, yo vetti, yaha vetti, tattvataha, tyaktva, deham, punarjanma, punaha janma, naiti, na eti, mameti, mam eti, sorjuna, saha arjuna. So hey Arjuna, yaha me divyam janma karma cha evam tattvataha vetti saha deham tyaktva punaha janma na eti mam eti. So how it is, see? Naiti, na eti, mam eti, mam eti. That is only swara joint. But this is a sandhi. Can you name? Na eti, nai has happened.
It is Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi sandhi. So naiti, naiti, na eti, naiti. So vriddhi has happened. It's a swara sandhi only. When rest only it is joining, it is not sandhis over there. Okay. And this yo has become yaha, that's a sandhi. Sorjunam, this is also a sandhi. Can you name this sandhi? Where avagraha comes?
Purvarupa.
Correct. Purvarupa. Purvarupa. Saha Arjuna. Saha Arjuna, no, Saha Arjuna. So when this is like Deva, Sambodhana, Hey Deva, without any visarga. But Prathama is Devaha. But Sambodhan, there is no visarga. So that's why this is, oh Arjuna, in that sense it is going as a, what to say, a Sambodhana. So, hey Arjun, oh Arjun, in that. So, Janma, by birth, karma, action. Huh? Me is my, divyam, divine, evam, in this fashion. Yaha, who, veti, knows, tattvataha, in the actual sense. Huh? Tyaktva, this is our tvantavya. Having abandoned, so doing that, doing one action, going on to the next. Tyaktva deham, so having dropped the body, after that what? Punaha janma naya eti, so he will not be born again. Maneti, but he will come to me. So those who thus know in the true light my divine actions. So that means those who realize the truth will not get caught up with the life and death cycle. So over here, Krishna, we have to not see it in the ego sense that he is saying or in that body form. This is the Paramatma level. So we have to see on what level the transaction is happening, how the knowledge is imparted. So Krishna is not talking to Arjuna as his Sakha and the one with his body and the Panchamahabhuta Sharira. It is from the other highest perspective he is trying to convey so that we can hear the Lord. Arjuna is only a nimitta, but the knowledge has passed on to us, keeping him in the center, that as if Lord is talking to him. None of our knowledge has come like this direct. It has always come between a Guru Shishya, between two. Somebody's conversing something like that only our knowledge paddhati is. So we don't have suddenly some Akashvani built up and something we don't get that way. It's a Guru Shishya Parampara only that knowledge is given. Janma karma cha me veti, janma karma cha me divyam, evayo veti tattvataha, tyaktva deham punarjanma, naiti mameti sorjuna. The time is up. We will squeeze in at least one more verse, Radha Krishnanji. Vitaraga bhaya krodhaha.
Vitaraga bhaya krodhaha.
Mahaprana.
Vitaraga bhaya krodhaha.
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 Dhaha, not daha. Dhaha.
Vitaraga bhaya krodhaha.
Manmaya mamupashritaha.
Manmaya mamupashritaha.
Bahavo jnana tapasa.
Bahavo jnana tapasa.
Bhutamadbhavamagataha.
Bhudamadbhavamagataha. Vidaraga bhaya krodhaha. Manmaya mamupashritaha. Bahavo jnana tapasa. Bhudamadbhavamagataha.
So now in this few sandhis, in the sense, Vitaraga Bhaya Krodhaha. So over that Visarga's Lopa had happened. Now it is Krodha when we open. Manmaya Ma upashritaha bahavaha jnana tapasa. There is no tapasaha because it is a third case. It is a sakaranta, tapas. Tapas shabda sakaranta's third case. It will go like Vedas shabda. Okay. So, tapaha, tapasau, pasaha. Tapasam, tapasau, pasaha, dvitiya. Pasa, tapobhyam, tapobhihi. Like that it will go. Papas shabda. So it is a third case. That's why there is no visarga after that. Madbhava magataha. So Vita Raga Bhaya Krodhaha Manmaya Mamuha. Jnana Tapasa Bhuta Bhavaha Madbhava Magata. Let us see. Vita Raga Bhaya Krodha. Raga, all the desires. Bhaya, all the fears. Krodha, anger. Vita, having freed from there. Manmaya, Manmaya, in me, absorbed in me. We say no, tanmay hoke ga rahe the. It's like, you are completely engrossed. Then, Mam, in me. Where is all this? Asmat Shabda is coming, huh? So next week, if you can just memorize Asmat Shabda and come, it will be nice. See, Mat has come, Mam has come, Me has come. Upashritaha, coming and seeking refuge in me. And Bahavaha is always many. Jnana tapasa. See, it is a third case, instrumental case, by or with. Jnana tapasa, by the fire of knowledge. Putaha. Yesterday in Narayaniam we saw that word, Putaha. So that is purified. Mat bhavam, my form, my tendency, my beingness, agataha, having attained. So, having freed from what? Vita, raga, bhaya, krodha, all the desires, fear and anger, absorbed in me, taking refuge in me, purified by the fire of knowledge. So, fire is always it purifies everything. So, when you have the knowledge, that fire of knowledge is purifying. That is the simile to be taken. And then in this form, many people have attained me, is what is Lord. Bahavaha madbhava magataha. Bahavaha, many have attained me. Vitaraga bhaya krodhaha manmaya mamupashritaha bahavo jnana tapasa puta madbhava magataha. We'll stop over here for today at 10. Okay, we have done only 4, but not to think in that way. We should think that we have done some clearing, removing the dust. If you practice and come little, we can finish it in 15 minutes so that we can get some time to do few verses. At least about 10 verses we should be able to do. Some days we can do even more beyond that. So let's end the session. Join the daily Gita. Today is Wednesday. On Wednesday, we chant 3rd, 4th, and 5th chapter. So this ongoing 4th chapter is there to be chanted. So please join daily Gita. No need of unmuting or putting on your camera. You can be in your kitchen cooking or at dining table serving the family. But let the Zoom be on in the background. Somebody is chanting. You can just listen to that. And thereafter there is a Eknati Bhagavad session also. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all next Wednesday. Before that,
Thank you, Bashir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hariom.
Thank you so much for the restart. It was
Thanks
very
to
amazing.
Yes, and my only prayer is let this continuity within this year we should finish. In 2025 we should finish Gita is what we aim. And
Yes.
hopefully he upholds our sankalpa and we keep that continuity and complete it in this year. Okay. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om ji.
Hari Om.